Hey, hello everyone, welcome to the BioWay channel. So in this particular video, we will see about SARS-CoV-2, that is the virus which is causing COVID-19 disease. So first of all, we will see the structure of this particular virus. Then we will see how it enters the body. Then we will see how it enters into the lung cell. And then we will see how it causes COVID-19 disease. So let us see it. SARS-CoV-2 is a virus belonging to a family of viruses called as Coronaviridae. It is actually a beta coronavirus that we have seen in the case of earlier diseases like SARS and MERS. As per scientists, this virus is likely been originated in bats, and from them it is transferred in other animals, and from other animals has been transferred into human beings. SARS-CoV-2 is consisting of four different parts. First is called as nucleocapsid, second envelope, third is membrane protein, and the fourth one is spike protein. We will see the virus from its outermost region going into its innermost region. So in its outermost region, first we will see the protein called as spike protein. Now this spike protein helps the virus to bind to its receptor, that is ACE2 receptors present in the airway epithelial cells in human being, which helps the virus to get entry inside the cell. Now the spike protein, as you must have observed, they are all over the virus and they give the crown-like appearance to the virus, and from them, that is crown-like appearance, we got the word corona, and that's why these viruses have been called as coronaviruses. Then we will go to the next part, that is membrane protein. Now coronavirus is having membrane protein called as M protein, and then we are having the next protein called as E protein. Generally, this protein helps the virus in its assembly and release from the cell. Now we will see the next part in the virus, that is called as envelope. As you can see, envelope forms the sphere in which the inner core is situated, and you must be knowing very well now, inside of this virus we will find the fourth part, which is very important, called as nucleocapsid. Now this nucleocapsid is consisting of this nucleocapsid protein. It is bound to the genome of the virus, that is RNA, and it helps in the viral replication. Coming to the next part of the virus, that is the genome of the virus, called as its RNA, that is a ribonucleic acid. So SARS-CoV-2 is having its genome, that is RNA, which is a positive sense single-stranded RNA molecule. So in this way, you have understood how the different parts of viruses are. Now we will see the next, how this virus enter into the body.
Person-to-person spread is thought to occur mainly via respiratory droplets produced when an infected person coughs or sneezes, similar to how influenza and other respiratory pathogens spread. These droplets can land in mouths or noses of people who are nearby or possibly be inhaled into the lungs.
So before getting into the actual COVID-19 disease progress, we will see how the virus has entered. Now you can see nasal mucosa and the mouth mucosa, oral mucosa. The virus is getting entry into the trachea and the bronchi. As you can see over here, the bronchi then turn themselves into, ultimately into the ends, and we will see these ends over here. You can see these ends are having the air sac that is helping us in the gas exchange, getting the oxygen into the blood. And now we will see the air sac called as alveoli look like in the lungs. So you are observing the air sac or the alveoli which are present all over the lungs, which are actually involved in the gas exchange. That is, the oxygen is getting mixed with the blood over here. So as you can see over here, all this are having the blood capillaries over here. And if you go to the section, you will see how the alveoli or air sacs look like. And in the air sac, the air which is coming in when you inhale is getting dispersed, and through this air the oxygen is getting mixed in the blood vessel over here. So as you can see, the blood vessels all over the air sac, so the oxygen is getting mixed with the blood, and it is transported all over your body. But Now we will see how in COVID-19 disease, the SARS-CoV-2 virus is actually infecting this alveoli and creating the problem and the disease. So let us see. Virus enters the body through nose, mouth, and eyes. As it enters in airway cells, as we are observing over here in airway epithelial cells, the virus enter and it binds to a receptor called as ACE2 receptor, which takes it into the cell, as we have seen over here. So once inside the cell, coronavirus release its genetic material, that is its RNA. Then, in the infected cell, ribosome reads this RNA and begins making different viral protein, which will help the virus to assemble the new copies of virus. Now, over here, the viral genome, the copies of this genome are made by RNA-dependent RNA polymerase. Then, further, in endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi bodies of the cells then begins to produce new spike and other proteins of the virus that will form more copies of the coronaviruses. New copies of the virus are assembled and they are carried to the outer edges of the cell. Each infected cell can release millions of copies of the virus before the cell finally breaks down and dies. As you can see, the virus may infect nearby cell, release from this cell, and end up in the droplet that will escape from the lungs. So now we will see how COVID-19 disease with its different symptom progresses ahead. So we are now observing the mild symptom that we see in case of COVID-19 patients. So as per the China CDC report of over 70,000 patients of COVID-19, almost 80% had mild symptom. Now let us see the mild symptom. Let us start from the head. What we see over here is we see the dry cough, headache, sore throat, and nasal congestion. Then in terms of general, that is all over the body, the person is suffering from fever, fatigue, bone, joint pain, and chills. In terms of respiratory thing, the person suffers from coughing up with phlegm. And then in case of digestive system, the person then suffers from nausea or vomiting and even diarrhea. So these are all the mild symptoms that we see in case of COVID-19 disease. So in the next stage of COVID-19 disease, the symptom may turn severe because of the aggressive response shown by the immune system. Now in this case, the symptoms include shortness of breath and rapid breathing over 30 breaths per minute. Now in case of a normal human being, the respiratory rate is almost 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Now why this thing happen? Because the severe symptom leads to pneumonia and even as well as it may lead up to acute respiratory distress syndrome. Now why this turns into pneumonia or ARDS? Because in case of immune system, as it is now aggressively responding to the infection in alveoli, as we have seen earlier, in alveoli the condition becomes critical. They are getting filled up with the fluid from the immune response, which makes the breathing difficult, and as a result, the person develop fast, rapid breathing. We will see what happens in acute respiratory distress syndrome now. So, what is acute respiratory distress syndrome? Now, in case of this COVID-19 disease, the acute respiratory distress syndrome is happening over here because of the fluid that is getting built up in the alveoli sac, and this filled fluid is actually obstructing the passage of oxygen and air, and as a result the oxygen is unable to get mixed up into the blood and the person is deprived of oxygen. Now because of this fluid, the alveoli even become collapsed and they literally lose their function, and this results into the critical form of the disease in which we may find septic shock, the respiratory failure, and then the multiple organ dysfunction or the failure. Because of the acute respiratory distress syndrome, the body is unable to get the enough supply of oxygen through the blood as alveoli are getting collapsed. So all the organs are becoming dysfunctional or they may fail, and the person ultimately dies because of these critical symptoms. So thanks to the biodigital platform which is available online, I will provide you the link of this website in the description below. This has helped us to understand how SARS-CoV-2 virus infect the human body and cause the COVID-19 disease. In our next video, we will see how the scientists and the medical expert all over the world are searching the medicines and the vaccine for this SARS-CoV-2. So if you have liked this particular video, then kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell icon and I will meet you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel The Bio Way on YouTube and press the bell icon so that you will never miss another update from my channel. Thank you.